In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install your 100% save file in Assassin's Creed Rogue. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this depends on the game version. In my case, I have this Dex version. Uplay Dex saves Assassin's Creed Rogue. And now press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Go back to app data, open roaming and open Uplay Dex saves Assassin's Creed Rogue. And before dropping the save, you need to back up your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup. Drag and drop the game progress inside of a backup. Drag up the 100% save file in this location and launch the game. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. Now we can start this 100% save. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.